Richmond Lamptey Edenasi Aba wakasa after so koye yene ba we leave a touching message to Kumasi Asante Kotoko fans. Na manfo butanze Rich na all the message ya be Kotoko against Accra Sofuk the next on the bill. Richmond Lamptey we are ready so be feature and I say feature na season e be we obekọ and I say wonko. And dey wanka ho bibia e na ase e na ode ba. Na some kind no e wa ha be bro e wo fia out mu say Richmond Lamptey Mukwala nso ede nsem bia kotudwa wo Twitter no so enten video Twitter Mukwala ye record bi we beating the last year record. I think last year was 11 goals, but this year already with 4 games to go no senior man now but 12 goals. I was say 4 games now can nya dia obejija no hokra the super class. And Korbe Asante Kotoko confirm say match the Kwasiada Nomiensa 3 p.m. El Baba Sports Stadium in TNT and Shannon soon. Match day 31 versus Accra Sofuk. Now over the weekend, Koroko Deputy Captain Richmond Lamptey Okoye ne papa yi ewo nkran debut Kaswa yes Central na owie ye no na oteki to in time video no so intentan video no so Facebook titiro ena ono wota de ni kasubom ena okochro nsemo egu ho na me put mouse straight away na yenko yanim na yenko Mukwala de no so 2 hours ago. I am profoundly grateful for your unwavering support and encouragement during the final funeral rite of my father. O say hey ajiminsem aboro me so me yeda enkura me hunu bibia aboro me so kra mo support and mo encouragement amode ma me during me papa yi no Richmond Lamptey na ka say also your presence and your kind gestures provided immense comfort during the challenging time. So brand mu ayde no hey was mo presence and mo support and mo encouragement no e boa no pan what challenging period. Also the solidarity and compassion you showed truly exemplify the spirit of our community. Also the amoche no a day community na daddy a chire community bb. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Madam say ifri makumem na odase e ho achiri no na Mukwala nso kotwero we egu Twitter no so to Asante Kotoko fans na ono a was they share no hoden was in the midst of challenging campaign Kotoko. I'm grateful to have scored my 12th league goal of the season. I'm Kotoko challenges nyama 12 goals over the weekend, one more than last season's league tally. Was one more than last league season tally. I was do next last season was 12. Without 4 games left, there is more to hunger for. Was 4 games I can a company any bread and on the bebo into a crowd of fuka or more that the chopping board no so next time no which is Kwasiada the next game no and he has a fucking for Muzango muti Mukwala de oveshegu but no clinical but so bet na so be kono a different day subject to for nyankopon mi antiase.